Guys, why is this the camera?
Yeah, you go like that. Okay, ready? You try it? Oh, you're distracted. What is it?
We need to put something on there.
What is it? Oh, yeah, a bib, probably. What is it? What do you think?
Doesn't need
Swallowed
any.
it. Just real little. What do you think? I don't think you know what to think. You hold on to your toy. Oh, it's real messy. It's okay. Oh, yeah, you're licking the burp cloth.
Yucky.
You just go lick the burp cloth.
You haven't had any yet, have you? Try to get back in the package. Oh, you not like it. Or do you like it?
What do you think? Look at that face.
What is it?
Not sure.
Not sure. Okay, try to put it in the finger. Getting better access to the finger. Should I turn off the camera?
Yeah, the camera's just very huge.